Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Renee. Today I'm going to be doing part 3 of my decluttering series, and I'm going to be decluttering my jewelry. So I have a lot of it, and I'm really excited to get rid of some of it because it'll help me to realize what I actually do and don't wear, and I can start wearing more of my jewelry instead of going through everything and getting kind of frustrated because I don't know what to pick out. So if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and make videos like this and about fashion and home decor twice a week. So if that sounds good to you, hit that red subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. So as I said, I'm going to be decluttering my jewelry and showing you what I do wear, what I don't wear, and I'm going to be deciding what to get rid of. So let's just get started with the video and let's get rid of some jewelry. Okay, let's just open this up and get started. So as you can see, it's a pretty big decluttered mess. So I'm just going to kind of take everything out and just kind of set it out on my dresser and just kind of go through everything and see what I think I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. And there is a lot of stuff in here, so it's probably going to take a while. So I'm just going to probably fast forward through and just getting everything out, and then kind of go through what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to get rid of. Look here, this is what I got so far, and this does not include these 3 drawers of like my statement necklaces. I'm going to take all these out and lay them out and show you all of them and kind of decide which ones I'm going to keep. But for now, I'm going to start on the first 4 drawers, which have all of these items. Okay, so these necklaces right here are from the first 2 of those 4 drawers that I showed you of the statement necklaces, and I'm just going to be getting rid of quite a bit of these. I'm getting rid of this one, even though I love it and I think it's really pretty. I'm going to be getting rid of it because it is broken and I never fixed it. I'm also going to be getting rid of this one because I just don't wear it. This is actually a bracelet, so I don't know why it was there, but I'm going to be getting rid of this one. I'm going to be keeping this one because it's black, so it goes with everything, and I think I'll still wear it. I am going to be getting rid of this one, though, because I don't ever wear it. And then I am going to keep this long one because I wear it. I wear this one a ton. I do like this one, so I'm going to keep it. I'm going to get rid of this one because it is nice, but I don't ever wear it. And then I'm going to keep this one because I wear this one once in a while. I have not worn this one yet. I really do like it, but I just haven't worn it yet. So I might keep this, and then if I don't wear it here soon, get rid of it. And then this other one I am going to get rid of because it is pretty, but again, I just don't wear it, so I'm going to get rid of it. So out of those 4 drawers, these were in about 2 of them, and this is what I'm keeping from all that. And then I still have 2 more drawers to go through, and I will show you what I'm going to keep and get rid of those. Okay, this drawer has some of my favorite necklaces in it. So this one right here, this blue and silver one, I will be keeping because I wear this one quite a bit. This one next to it, this silver and like mint green one, I wear this one a lot too, so I'm definitely going to be keeping that. This blue one is pretty, but I just don't ever wear it. So I think I'm going to get rid of this one. And some of these necklaces that you're seeing, I'm not going to throw all of these away because some of them are really nice and they, you know, they weren't expensive, but they're perfectly fine. I don't wear them, so I'm going to probably see if someone like my friend or my mom or somebody wants some of these. So I'm not going to, really the only ones that I'm throwing away are ones that are super old, and then any that are broke, I'll be getting rid of those too. So this one I'm going to keep because I really like it. I wear this one a lot. It's a really pretty like blue, and it's got like kind of like a tan and green and silver. I like anything really that has silver, and I'm a big fan of silver. So I'm definitely going to keep that one. And then this gold one, I do like it, but I've never worn it before, so I think this will be one of the ones I'm going to get rid of. Then this rose gold one is beautiful. I absolutely love this. Well, I guess it's got rose gold gems, but the actual chain is gold. But this one's beautiful. I love this one, so I'm going to keep this. I do wear this one quite a bit, so I'll definitely keep this one. The silver one is really pretty. It's kind of fancier. I remember I wore this one time to a wedding, and it was really pretty with the dress I wore, so I'm definitely going to keep this one. This one's kind of like a tribal design almost. It's really neat and different, so I'm going to keep this one. It's kind of funky. I don't wear it a ton, but it is something that's kind of like, I don't know, it's just really cool and different, so I'm going to keep that one. And then this one is really big, but I really like this one too. This is kind of like a really edgy going out necklace, but again, it's really pretty, and I wear it once in a while when I go out, so I'm definitely going to be keeping this one. And that's it for my statement necklaces. So I'm going to put these back in, and I'm going to put everything back in the drawers, and then go through the drawers and show you what they look like after, now that I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff and organized. So now that I've got this whole thing organized, let's go back through it and take a look. So on the top here, we have like my cloth necklaces, or my cloth bracelets, a couple of big pairs of earrings. Here's some earrings over here that are like my colorful ones, and these are like some of my bigger hoop earrings, and some bracelets, and then those are the rings that I'm keeping. These ones in front here are actually real rings, so obviously I wasn't going to get rid of those. My mom got me this one, and I bought myself this one, and I've had this one for a few years, but here's like my fake rings that are just for fun. So that's what this is. And then moving down into the drawers, here's some more bracelets. These are just kind of like my fun bracelets that, you know, my dad's got me a lot of these, so I just want to keep them. And then just some colorful ones that are fun. And then some bracelets and that watch that my dad got me. So that's that. And then the third drawer, this is just kind of more just, I guess, sentimental necklaces too. My dad's, I know I keep saying this, but my dad's gotten me a lot of these too, and I just like to keep stuff that he gets me because it makes me happy. So that's those. And then these last four are those statement necklaces. So here's the drawer with like the really colorful like blues and greens that I went through. So those are those. And then this is some more of the blue and green ones. These ones are a little bit smaller and not quite as big and bold. Those are those ones. And then the silver ones are right here. So those were those. They were all pretty big that I showed you. Those are those ones. And then down here was just my rose gold one and one of those black ones that I decided to keep. So yeah, so that's how that turned out, and I'm really happy with it. It looks so much better. It's just so much more organized. So now we're in my master bedroom, and this is where I have my most worn necklaces, which are usually smaller necklaces that, you know, are just more dainty, or like my long kind of necklaces. So now I'm going to be going through these and getting rid of what I don't wear, obviously, and keeping what I do wear. So let's get started with this. And I apologize for the lighting in here. There's really no good way to make this look better. I have this little light right here, and then I have my main light on right here, and then this window right here. So I do need to get some filming lights, but right now this is what I'm working with. Okay, so I laid out what I'm going to be getting rid of, and it might be a little bit hard to see because it is on my bed, but this is just the easiest way to do it. So I'll just kind of go through a couple of these. I like all of these, but again, I just don't wear them. So there's this really cute owl one, but I just don't wear it. There's this gold, like kind of, it's got like a layered look to it with a choker and two other layers, and I like it, but I don't wear it. Same thing with these other two and this tassel one. I really, really like this one, but again, I just don't wear it enough for it to be kept. It's really cute, but yeah. And same thing with these other two choker ones. They have like this and then the layer. I just don't wear them. This one's just really heavy, so I just don't like wearing it. It's just kind of uncomfortable to wear. And this one has 3 layers and just kind of the same thing. It's just not very comfortable to wear, so I'm not going to keep those. And then moving back over here, this is kind of what this looks like now. It looks so much better. It just looks so much more organized and not so much clutter. So let's see, I'm getting rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm getting rid of 10 of these, so that's great. All right, guys, that's it for my video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of my jewelry and seeing the items that I decide to keep and what I decide to get rid of. Because like I said, I had so much stuff that I wasn't as excited to pick out my jewelry as I think I will be now that I can actually kind of see everything and not be so just overwhelmed with everything I have. So I'm really happy that I did this, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it too. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.